Guys, it's RA here, and today in this video it's going to be a bit calmer video because we're at a botanical garden near us, and I'm just gonna get a few nature sounds in this video. So it's just gonna be more of a calm, relaxing video, and if I see any fish I'll let you know or something like that. But you might see a few other videos like this throughout the day. I might also do a few time lapses throughout the day. But yeah, I think I just saw a fish found in that area, so keep an eye out in there. I think there's fish in there. But this is just a lake in the garden, so it's really cool here. It's like just nice and calm and peaceful. But yeah, in that area there's fish. Pretty sure, at least. There might be some over here. I think I see one or two in that area. So any area where you don't see all the lily pads, there's probably a few fish. But this is just more of a calm video, as I said. But if you did like it, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next video. Probably here, but yeah, it might be a time lapse, but my voice is dying on me, so I'm gonna end the video. So bye.